Hello students, welcome to another session on economics. My name is Onoja Peter. In this session we shall be considering the topic manufacturing and construction service industries. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to explain manufacturing and construction, to identify some manufacturing and construction companies in Nigeria, also to identify the importance of the manufacturing and construction service industries to Nigerian economy. Before we go into talking about manufacturing and construction, there is no way we can talk about them without mentioning industrial revolution. The existence of the manufacturing and construction industries today came about as a result of the starting of the industrial revolution in Great Britain. The Industrial Revolution marks a major turning point in history. Almost every aspect of daily life was influenced in some way. This transition included going from hand production methods to machine. Average income and population particularly began to exhibit unprecedented sustained growth. Some economists say that the major effect of the Industrial Revolution was that the standard of living for the general population in the Western world began to increase consistently for the first time in history, although others have said that it did not begin to meaningfully improve until the late 19th and 20th centuries. Now, let's take a look at the manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries are the ones that are engaged in the production of goods from raw materials. These raw materials come from agricultural sources like cotton, wool, etc., or are provided by extraction industry, that is the natural crude oil, natural gas, oils, coal, etc. The manufacturing industries are able to produce both means of production and final goods. There are numerous types of manufacturing industries. We have iron and steel industry, non-ferrous metallurgy industry, we have chemical and oil industry, machine building industry, wood processing and paper making industry, production of building materials, light industry, food production, medical industries, printing industry, etc. Examples of manufacturing industries in Nigeria include Dangote Groups, which produces sugar, salt, flour, oil, cement, etc. We have the Nigerian breweries, which produces different types of beer and other alcoholic drinks, along with non-alcoholic beverages like Maltina, etc. We also have the Nestle Nigeria, we have Flour Mills of Nigeria, we have Unilever Nigeria, we have PZ Cuisines, we have Duffy Prima Food, and a host of others. Let's also take a look at the construction industries. Construction is a general term meaning the art and science to form objects, systems, or organizations. In its most widely used context, construction covers the processes involved in delivering buildings, infrastructure, and industrial facilities and associated activities through to the end of their life. There are numerous construction companies in Nigeria, but some of which include Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, Reynolds Construction Company, Cetraco Nigeria Limited, Costain West Africa, Monia Construction Company, Brunelli Construction Company Nigeria Limited, Dantata and Sowo Construction Company Nigeria Limited, and a host of others. Let us take a look at the importance of the manufacturing and construction industries to the Nigerian economy. 1. They bring about the creation of employment. They help boost Nigerian exportation. It brings about the discouragement of importation. They contribute greatly to the gross domestic product of Nigeria. They simplify task of forming or creating a product as machines are used, and a host of other importance to the Nigerian economy. What have we learned so far? In summary, we have learned that the existence of the manufacturing and construction service industries today came about as a result of the starting of the Industrial Revolution in Great Britain. The Industrial Revolution marks a major turning point in history. Almost every aspect of daily life was influenced in some way. We also learned that manufacturing industries are the ones that are engaged in the production of goods from raw materials. Also, we learned that construction is a general term meaning the art and science to form objects, systems, or organization. Now, we have a little assignment here for you. The question says, what are the importance of the manufacturing and construction service industries to Nigerian economy known to you? Thank you for your time. See you in our subsequent session.